And off the top here at 6 on this Thursday, Montgomery County school leaders say it is all hands on deck in an attempt to address the alarming use of illegal opioids among local students.
Fox 5 Stephanie Ramirez live at the school board headquarters with more now. Steph.
Angie, Rob, we've been seeing this growing issue of illegal opioid use, especially when it comes to fentanyl in the region. Montgomery County officials, though, holding a news conference today to really encourage parents, let them know that this is a very serious matter that all parents need to talk to their children about. The police chief telling us today that what prompted this meeting was the recent death of a 15-year-old who died this past weekend of a suspected overdose. This is the teen's mother.
Y el psicólogo no hace nada, porque cuando ellas tienen ese problema de adicción, no quieren ayuda.
That is Edith Montalvan calling for even more to be done, saying in Spanish that psychologists don't do anything. Her daughter, dealing with addiction, refused help. Montalvan says she reached out to everyone trying to get her daughter into programs available, but feel that no one was there for them because the programs are voluntary. Sources and community members confirm Ashley Montalvan was a 15-year-old Kennedy High School student who was found unresponsive this past Saturday. The family now trying to pay for her funeral. The school superintendent spoke today on how in some cases there may need to be changes from the state to include involuntary programs. She also spoke to the importance of having trusted adults in the schools and at home and in languages needed as one way of addressing the problem. Now, guys, this is a real look at the growing issue in Montgomery County. Today, police confirmed juvenile fentanyl overdoses jumped 120%, going from 5 in 2021 to 11 in 2022. MCPS officials tell Fox 5 they can't report individual overdoses because of student and health privacy laws. They can only share trends or inform of an overdose death if the parent or the guardian of that child allows. State's Attorney John McCarthy wants people to share that if you witness an overdose, there are Good Samaritan laws in the county.
Under the Good Samaritan laws, and I, as the State's Attorney for Montgomery County, am pledging, if you make a call and save that person's life, we will not prosecute you. There may be drugs there. There may be whatever the drug paraphernalia is. I'm here to tell you, I don't care. I can always prosecute another drug case. I can't rise people from the dead.
Guys, officials also spoke to how you do not have to have an addiction or be an addict to fall victim, that even trying you could fall victim because there are so many counterfeit pills laced with fentanyl out there in the state of Maryland especially. But police were also noting that they are seeing more cases of young people looking for those pills knowing that they are laced with fentanyl. Back to you.